All right, Stitch Pink 2020, Block 17, Casablanca. That turned out pretty.
Okay, thanks for joining us for Block 17 of Moda's 2020 Stitch Pink. I know I said that backwards this time. I just thought it needed to be backwards.
It
All right.
works.
Yes. So get your pattern printed out. Go ahead and get your pieces cut out. This one doesn't take quite as much to assemble, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the first thing you do is you're going to take your A and your B triangles and put them together to make half square triangle units.
And we've done that before.
And we're going to make 8 of them.
Okay.
So the first thing we want to do is sew our half square triangles together, and then I'll be right back to show you what we do next.
All right, short and sweet.
All right, I have my half square triangle units sewn together. Now we're just going to lay out our block. Let's see if I can do this upside down.
And there goes the C block.
Yes. And another C block. C. This is always fun to do this part. Now, do I have these in the right spot?
You do.
The darker, dark,
Because if you
dark,
went in around the circle.
dark. Yep, they're all on that side. Okay.
Yes.
Now.
And it's the same in the middle.
Yes. Well, that's easy enough because you've
Yeah,
got
they
this
just
one right here to put it by.
Line right up there.
Well, that's not far enough out. So we've got some other pieces to put in there.
Yeah. So your dark red really kind of forms a big X.
Like a pinwheel.
Yes.
And these are hard to tell, but I will definitely really look at them before I sew them together.
Hard to tell what?
Front.
Right
from
side
back.
from back side? Okay.
All right, now this takes a little bit of putting together before. So the first thing you need to do is sew this kind of like a 9 patch would be. So you sew this row together, you sew this row together, you sew this row together, and then you sew the 3 rows together before you can put the rest of it. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and we'll just finish our block.
All right, sounds good.